guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're back. Thank you for coming back. And I'm back with another video, and it is going to be a short video, but since I did do my eyeliners, like the eyeliners that I use, I figured I let you guys see how I do my wing liner, since I did tell you guys that I do like to do wings instead of just no eyeliner. So that is what this video is about. I'm going to show you how I do my eyeliner or my wing liner. Alright, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload, which is 3 times a week. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as you guys already know, I start out with my eyes first. So since this is how I do my wing liner, I am going to zoom you guys in and you can see how I do it. I may struggle because I always struggle to do it or to have it perfect. So I will zoom you in and I will show you on one eye, and then I'll do the other eye off camera because this does take a little while. So, all right. Hair back. You know, let's be extra with the earrings. Now you guys are very close to my face. You can see all my acne and how my skin really is. Yeah, I'll finish everything off camera once I finish the liner. So I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster. I told you guys, if you guys didn't see my Wednesday's video, I talked about my favorite wing liners or favorite eyeliners, and this one is one of them. So I am going to try to do this kind of in the air. I usually put my arm down, but here we go. So hopefully you guys can see. So I just go, I'm going to try to have this mirror close here. My bottom lash line as my guide to wing out. Let's get started. I'm going to try to have you guys closer. Here we go. That's as far as I'm going to go. Obviously, you can choose which, how far you want to go, but that's how far I'm going to. And then I start going into my inner corner. So I can't talk and do this at the same time. Hopefully you guys can see. And then I'm going to bring this down from the tip down. Now I go in and fix this later because you can. There we go. And then you just fix the rest. So that's how I did my wing liner. Now you guys might have your own way to do it, but this is how I do it. Alright guys, as you saw how I did that, now it does take a lot of concentration to do this wing liner, and it takes a lot of practice. I do this a lot because I like to practice it and become an expert at the wing liner. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face and the rest of my, or the other eye off camera, and then I'll be alright guys. As you can see, I went ahead and finished my makeup. I went a little more on the dark side with a bold lip. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you want a tutorial on this specific look that I created, let me know in the comments below and I will do that tutorial for you guys. I really like this. I'm always afraid of doing like a bold lip with like a bold eye, but I really enjoy it. I like the purple. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little mini tutorial on how to do your wing. And of course, there's so many other ways. I also use tape sometimes when I'm doing my shadows and when I'm doing my eyeliner. It just makes it a little easier. There's also several things, and I struggle with it still. I'm not perfect. I practice every day. So if you guys end up using my video, or if you guys like it, let me know, tag me, whatever. I want to know if you guys recreated it or learned from it. I always want to know what you guys are up to. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this Friday. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, let me know in the comments below if you liked it, if you want a tutorial on this look. And don't forget that notification bell so you're notified when I upload, which is Monday. So yeah guys, have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, and I love you all. Bye guys. Alright guys, as you can see, alright, let's get to it. There we go. Alright, I just go from here, the inner, I just match up my bottom lash line and then go out. Oh, jeez. Okay. Like I was saying, I usually start out, you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys learned from my wing liner.